Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are someone who wants to practice coding in Java, Python, C, C++, JavaScript, or even SQL, NoSQL database, Mongo, but don't want to install different compilers for each, like today's video could follow, because we are going to explore OneCompiler, an amazing programming language directly in our mobile browser. Don't need any laptop also. Let's get started. What is a compiler? Before we dive into the tool, let's some standard basics. A compiler is a program that translates the code you write into machine language so that your computer can actually run it. Now many every programming language are web language like HTML, CSS, needs it wants compile, for example, C needs GCC, Java needs Java development, Python uses an interpreter. But what if I told you there is a way to skip all of this and run your code instantly on it? That's where one compiler comes in. One compiler can also do a HTML content development language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript also, and these are XML, extensible markup and these languages are run into a this compiler. Introduction to OneCompiler. OneCompiler is a free online compiler on software and IDE that supports over 20 programming languages and also one one or two more web languages like HTML, CSS, XML languages. Yes, here is right. Nearly 20 programming languages can do it only with our mobile phone. First of all, open your browser. My Chrome or Microsoft Edge and Python. You don't need to install any software. Just your smartphone is enough for it. Open your browser, visit funcompiler.com, select your programming language, and start coding instantly. As you can see, with just one website, you can run multiple languages without worrying about initialization or setup. Extra features of OneCompiler. OneCompiler also comes with really cool features like built-in database support, SQL, MySQL, and NoSQL language, MongoDB. Code sharing. You can share your code with your friends using a link template for different languages. Okay. Easy to use interface for beginners. Why should you choose it? This is the reasons. Whether you are a student preparing for coding assignments, a developer learning new language, someone just starting tier tier one college, or beginners engineering students, your full stack journey also do it this compiler. Okay, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML, React JS also, Node.js, less number of features, but mobile is enough for us. One compiler saves your time, save and make coding super easy. Don't irritate your parents for purchase for laptop. Don't need a laptop. Just a mobile internet connection is enough for this to run the programming languages. That's what that one is OneCompiler. So that's how you can OneCompiler for any programming language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For more coding tips, motivation, tech, and tutorials, drop a comment below and tell me which programming language are you currently learning. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.